Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I give you information about steam boiler burner leaking. So let me start. When a steam boiler burner experiences a leak, it typically falls into one of two categories: a fuel leak, gas or oil leaking through the burner assembly valve train, or water steam leak showing up at the burner housing due to internal pressure vessel failure. Identifying exactly what is leaking is critical, as fuel leak present immediate fire and explosion hazards, while water leaks indicate substructure or pressure issues. So here you see the burner flame. You can understand very well, and this animation you can understand how is the danger inside the diesel burner. So because also if a nozzle leak, so flame is not correct, and maybe diffuser also burner diffuser also problem. So you see this burner also have problem like that. It's common issues about a burner leaking. So I hope you can understand. So keep safe your assets. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comments.